And it's for you.
What?
It's for you. Are you videoing her?
Who is it?
Cinderella! What? Is she calling me?
Yes, I guess so.
But you know what, Cinderella? Cinderella? I have your dress. What is she doing?
I think she said goodbye.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
What did she say?
She said, happy birthday.
Really?
Why was she calling me?
She must have known it was your birthday.
She called to wish you a happy birthday, Bryn. That's pretty nice, huh?
I have a wish come true because I'm so white. I do have a wish world. That's my wish come true.
What was it again?
That I would want to get a ticket from Mom and Daddy, and then I got it, and then was my wish come true.
Your ticket for what? Your ticket for Disney World?
What?
Your ticket for Disney World?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's good that your wish came true.
Yes. I love my wish coming true. It's coming true.
You'll see her soon.
Oh, but she didn't answer me.
Oh, maybe she couldn't hear you.
She was interrupting.
She interrupted you?
Uh-huh.
Oh, is she rude?
She's not rude.
Oh, okay.